Imagine you speak, and every syllable floats out as a shiny sound bubble. Each bubble carries the exact shape of your word in glowing letters on its surface. You stand in a lead chamber filled with a special gas that holds those tiny spheres in midair. In that chamber, sound waves from your throat vibrate a thin layer of liquid polymer, creating bubbles stamped by your foot. This is not magic, it's acoustics meeting fluid dynamic. Your first hello forms a round bubble. Inside, the letters H-E-L-L-O shimmer. As you whisper science, smaller bubbles cluster like grapes, each one holding a single letter. We call this the Bubble Phonon Transducer. It uses phonon energy, the energy of your sound waves, to mold the polymer ring around each word. Maxwell's equations tell us how the electromagnetic field locks the letters in place so they stay invisible. Now watch conversation in action. You ask, "How are you?" Each word drips toward your friend. They can read the question even before the bubble reaches their mouth. The bubbles pop and contact the skin, releasing all the air back into the chamber and a tiny light pulse that confirms delivery. This pulse is captured by sensors, creating a silent transcript of every pop. In experiments, we found that bubble size affects meaning. Larger bubbles carry nouns and verbs. Smaller ones carry articles and conjunctions. It's like a natural compression algorithm. Fluid viscosity tweaks the bubble lifetime. Higher viscosity gives words more time to flow, so long poetic sentences stay alive longer. Lower viscosity makes quick snappy exchanges, but as small, under precise lighting, these word bubbles cast tiny shadows. Using lasers, we send coded responses through the chamber. A green laser line across a bubble turns the word into a secret code. Suddenly, you're speaking in visible bubble cipher. It's impossible to eavesdrop without the right light frequency. We even tested cross-language bubbles. By coating different polymer mixes, German words appear in blue bubbles, English in red, Japanese in yellow. Walk into a multilingual conversation, and you see a rainbow of drifting words. It's like watching a speech orchestra in slow motion. On the safety side, bubbles introduce no new chemicals. The polymer is biodegradable. Pop bubbles turn into harmless water drop. This simple thought experiment hints at a future where every spoken word is both seen and felt. Communication becomes art, every phrase a little floating sculpture. In the end, we learned that turning speech into visible form changes how we talk. We become more mindful. We choose words that form beautiful bubble shapes. We witness our thoughts in real time. And in that glowing chamber, conversation becomes as bright and flipping as soap bubbles themselves.